How to find Memrise promo code? First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the Memrise promo code. Once you get the search results, scroll down to find a website that provides best deals on Memrise. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open it. On this site, you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So select one that suits your need and a pop-up will appear on the screen with promo code. Simply copy this code and then tap on Shop to open Memrise website or open mobile app for subscription. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one, and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Memrise promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.